What's up everybody, yours truly Steven here, coming at you with another stock analysis video. Today we're looking at Apple using what we call the 6 factors for good investing. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's get into it. First thing you want to look at is factor number 1, PE ratio. So we want the PE ratio to be less than 20. Right now the PE ratio is about 40. A little high, but generally you want this under 20, so that's still an X for me, right? P ratio, you need this less than 20. Let's go to factor number 2, which is profit margin. Profit margin, you want this greater than 10%, so that's good. Apple's profit margin is 20.9. That's good. Check mark here. Perfect. Let's go to factor number 3, revenue growth. Revenue growth, that should be on the income statement. Revenue growth over the last, let's just look at the last 3 years or so that it's reported. Revenue growth, you're looking at 265, 260, a little dip, then 274. That's good. So check mark here. We're seeing some revenue growth here over the last 3 years. Perfect. Let's look at factor number 4, which is net income growth. Let's see what we're looking at. Net income growth, we're seeing here over the last 3 years 59, 55, 57. So it's less than last 3 years ago. However, it's greater than prior year, so it's still an X, but generally if I'm looking in the last 3 years, you want to see this, going up and not going in the other direction. So total assets versus liabilities, let's go to the balance sheet. Let's see here. So total current assets, let's look at this on the quarterly basis. Current assets 143 billion, and you want current liabilities 105. So that's good. That's a check mark. You generally want to see their total current assets greater than their total liabilities. That means they can pay their bills. That's a good sign. And factor number 6, we're looking at cash flow growth. Let's go right down to free cash flow, and we're looking at only the last 3 years. So the last 3 years, let's see, 64, 58, 73. Perfect. So we're definitely seeing some good growth here. That's another check mark. Definitely a good sign here for Apple. All right folks, overall Apple hit 4 out of our 6 factors for good investing. So generally I would give Apple a relatively good valuation. It is a buy. The P ratio is a little higher than I would like, but generally I think Apple is still good value for the price at the moment. Anything around the 120 to 130 range is good to jump in at. But overall, I think Apple is a good company, a good investment. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.